By now, we've approved all of the seller disclosures. We've held our home inspection. We found out anything and everything that is or potentially could go wrong with the house. We negotiated either a credit or a request for repairs items to be fixed. The last contingency open is the appraisal report. What is an appraisal? It's really just a third party who is going out to make sure that the value is there. The banks want to make sure if they're lending you $500,000, they want to make sure that the home is worth $500,000. So the licensed appraisal is a third party who's going to pull up like-kind properties, so same bedroom, bath count, square footage in the same neighborhood, ideally. Meaning that if there aren't enough sales within the last 90 days, then they may go outside of the neighborhood to pick other like-kind properties. Then it's up to the appraiser to make credits and debits to get the properties, meaning if one home is 500 square foot larger than the subject property that you're buying, they're gonna have to find out what the price per square foot is and make adjustments if the comp is 500 square foot lower, so it'll bring it back down to the value of your home. Once the appraisal is in, and if you purchase a home for $500,000 and the value is $500,000, congratulations, the banks are willing to go ahead and lend you the money. Now that the value is there, the lender's gonna put the pedal down and now facilitate your loan. So now that all of the inspections and the appraisals are done, what do we do next? I'll talk about the removal of contingencies on the next video.